Grace family always showing up. They are part of our family now, and we love them. We just hope everybody has a great time and some good food. And we're going to...
Yes, sir. You see what's going on. Today, we're loading our fireworks. We made a contraption. My uncle did, and then we bought that one. And my little cousin, we made that one over there too. About to go crazy, man. We shoot off 36 fireworks at a time. Actually, hold on. I think it's, how many is it? 40? Actually, 48. And he eating a watermelon while doing it. That's crazy. But yeah, watch for the video. Let's go. The wagon full of fireworks. Let's see what little cuz got going on over here. How many? Oh, you putting them together? All right, okay. All right. We're gonna see if this holds up. That's his tube, so we gonna see. Yeah, I was like, something ain't go. Man.
I don't know what color it is. Let's try it.
Let's try it. Oh, boy. All right, let's get it.
What it do?
I ain't gonna lie, I'm running.
You better run.
Yeah, I'm running.
Like that's something good.
Yeah, this is.
That's homemade, that ain't factory made.
Yeah.
Ain't a lot of testing behind that.
All right, let's go. You ready? You ready?
Go get it.
I'm out of here. I'm gone. Woo-hoo! Golly. She almost out. Nah, it's not.